over to the right hand side, try and utilise the spaces we've got, up behind the boarding, just check the mirrors, up towards the back of this, and then follow it round to the right hand side. Again, I'm going to go near side in order to try and make some progress, but I'm actually going to turn right here, so just turning right, following through, look across the right hand side. We're going to go round to the left. We've got a green light, so as we come up behind the back of the taxis, if they pull over to the left hand side, which we've done, and we're going to take one at a time, watch the cyclists, here, follow through, round to the left hand side, change the tone, back up to Whale, and as we go up, black's yet to react, it's now reacted, and we've got red lights up ahead again. As we approach that, to be mindful that somebody could be coming out from the left hand side. Just change it through for me. Back to the drive again. Looking ahead, road bends round to the left hand side, so you can stay out towards it, go nice and wide on it. We're doing 40 and 20 up towards the tourist bus, and beyond that we've got stationary traffic. So we've got to look at our options here. Just change the tone. We could potentially go offside. There's my opportunity. Got reaction from the bus as well, so he's staying put, so I'm quite happy with that. And then just watch the cyclist on the left hand side. Nice and steady, up towards the red light. Change the tones off at the moment, still showing blues currently. Mindful that this is very, very, so my horn still works because I'm still showing red lights, blue lights. Up through the red, up towards this. I've just got to get a reaction from him. He's just moving around to the right hand side for me. And then to the right, mindful of the black, round to the left hand side. See if we can get Eon on board. Nothing yet. So a bit of noise. Back on the drive, up towards next set of lights. If we've got an opportunity to, we should get the near side lane available to us. But we've got great lights from the southern. And then up through. If he stays there, utilise the near side lane. Change the tones. Mindful of the cycles on the curve on the left hand side. And then up around to the left hand side. Watch this when you run up towards the lights. Again, just ease off on the approach. All horns to try and remind people we're coming through. Back on the drive again, up towards the zebra crossing, and Brown and Howard move across the left hand side. So again, just check the mirrors, slow down, check the gap twice nicely, change the tone, back up towards Whale to try and check, throw it down the road, try and throw it as far as we can to try and engage people. So we've got reaction from Mercedes, and as we come up towards, we've got another reaction as well. And turn left a bit, just check the mirrors, watch the chap on the right hand side, mindful of the van, indicate the left so they know where we're going, change the tones into Yelp, and we're going to go into, watch this chap just on the right hand side here. That's what we've got to be careful with. Up towards the lights, we're going to turn right, back on the drive, up towards the lights, just ease off as you come in towards. Hold for the purpose of the view, and then let me know we're going. So just watch the pedestrian, just round to the right hand side, up towards Buckingham Palace. We're going to turn right, change the tones, back to Whale, and on the approach, he's going right, mirror check, going left. Now we're going to turn right at the end. So I'm just going to run it up, watch carefully, lights are just changing through. Bring the right way down so we haven't got anybody in the centre, change the tones, indicate lights, we've got British gases and assistance as well, over to the right hand side, and as we come up, offside this, just through there, just taking it nice and gentle, up towards, over to the right hand side, and then up towards, and watch carefully, tones are off. Engagement from them, happy with that, and then back on the drive to go near side, and then out nice and wide, and just try and get some speed up there. And let them know we're coming, Whale on the approach, lights are still showing red, just use this dead zone in the centre for our purposes. And as we come up close towards it, doing nearly 50 miles an hour, so just going to ease off, mindful the lights are still showing red at the moment, and we've got some assistance from the left hand side, change the tone, bring it right way down, look at our options, potentially we side here, engagement from the white van.